Hey everybody, Ellen here from Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace headlight bulbs in a 2006 Honda Accord LX. Procedures will be similar for most Accord models from 2003 to 2007, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you have your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. In order to access the bulbs on the driver's side, you'll need to remove the battery. Beyond that, this procedure is largely the same on both sides of the vehicle. We'll quickly show you how to remove the battery as well as how to replace the bulb on the passenger side. Start by using your 10mm deep socket or wrench to loosen the negative battery cable. Then lift it off and set it aside. Repeat this step for the positive battery terminal. Use the same socket or wrench to loosen the nuts on the battery hold-down. Remove the hold-down by slipping the hooks out of their holes on both sides of the battery tray. Now you should be able to lift the battery out. Once the battery is out, you'll be able to see the back of the headlight bulbs in the housing. The inside bulb is the high beam, and the outside bulb is the low beam. Press in on the tab at the back of the bulb you need to change, and slip the wiring harness off the bulb. With the wiring harness detached, turn the bulb slightly counterclockwise to release it, and carefully lift it out. Compare the old bulb with your new one to make sure you have the right replacement. And be sure not to touch your new headlight bulb with your bare fingers. Finger oils or grease can create hot spots on the glass that may cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Install your new bulb carefully into the back of the housing, aligning the tabs on the bulb with the notches on the back of the assembly. Once the tabs are inserted, turn the bulb clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the wiring harness connector to the base of the bulb by applying pressure until you hear it click into place. Repeat these steps for the other side if needed. If you finish replacing the bulbs on the driver's side, set your battery back in its tray and use your socket or wrench to secure the positive battery cable first. Now reattach your negative battery cable and turn on your headlights to make sure your new bulb is working. If everything looks good, reinstall your battery hold-down, making sure the hooks at the bottom of the rods slip into the holes on the battery tray before tightening the nuts. Close the hood. If your battery cables were detached, your factory stereo settings and clock will likely need to be reset. Follow the link on the screen if you need details on that procedure. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. We'll see you again soon.